Hello, I'm Konrad Nes from the studio. Myself, I'm working on BIM and related topics since the mid of the 80s, so quite long. And with the studio we started about in 1999, I think, with first 4D modeling for Dutch companies. Now we have a series of products around the technology, which is the XD Virtual Builder, linking together all kinds of information on 4D, 5D, XD aspects, and working in Holland, UK, France, and a little bit the rest of the world. We use Asta Powerproject in conjunction with our XD Virtual Builder environment, linking together all kind of CAD and GIS applications and other databases together with Asta Powerproject. The advantage for us with Asta Powerproject is that it has a very interesting database structure, a graphical interface, and a lot of interesting features which permit us to develop management features for this kind of 4D environment. The first project we've been doing was the More London plot in, I think, 2007, together with Mace. It was the final building of More London quarter in London, and it was a very complex building where we did modeling together with Asta Powerproject and Autodesk AutoCAD solution. Later on, we sold our software to companies like BAM and McAlpine, using our software now together with SketchUp. And the advantage of Asta Powerproject and SketchUp is that it has a very low entry profile, entry level, let's say, that planners can easily use it, and it's not demanding any specific specialists to make 4D models. We like some features specifically about Asta Powerproject in conjunction with 4D modeling, like the progress periods and the splitted tasks, which permit us to develop a kind of visualization of actual versus baseline in a very detailed and a very, how do you say it, management way of managing side projects. Personally, I like the graphical user interface of Powerproject a lot. So it's very, as an architect, I'm fond of graphical environments, and this is really far more interesting than other packages I've seen. So last year we've been working more on 5D than only 4D and XD, XD meaning attributes, etc. But we are focusing on 5D, which is cost, which means cost nowadays. And we are taking out all the technologies we've been developing in the 90s and the 80s and projecting them now on new and actual software like Revit or other kind of CAD and GIS environments. Next year to come, we're going to integrate these technologies 5D into the 4D to be able to run it together with all kinds of applications and into one big integrated BIM model.